Welcome to Finding the Voices. I am Monica Ingadam. Okay, so when did you, start your interest, or when did you really like having an interest in music?
Music, actually, it's very kind of old. Since my childhood days, I used to listen to these Bollywood masala songs, and then English. I listen very late. Yeah, English songs. I started with Bryan Adams and all those stuffs, the common stuffs.
Okay.
During my high school days, I think, from my 11th, 12th classes. Then after that, picking up the guitar also, I was inspired by this Pakistani band called Junoon.
Okay.
They used to play some good guitars, and Sufyana song was so inspiring that I wanted to play it on the guitar.
Okay.
Then it was during those times. So it's been a long time. Long time. Yeah.
What about Akhil? What kind of music did you like when you were small?
Just like him. I mean,
yeah, he was.
I mean, we can't deny the fact that we listen to lots of Hindi music, because that's how we grew up. Because Kishore Kumar is like everyone, every house has Kishore Kumar cassettes. So that's the kind of thing. But much later, my uncle, one of my uncle, he has been like a hard rock fan. He's now married and forgotten about rock also. So the thing stays with me.
What is that supposed to mean? Marriage and
yes, you can't live that life of So it's but I started listening to lots of political music when I came to Delhi. So that's where I was inspired. I mean, to write my own thing. So
But it's a continuous development. How you like your music. In the beginning, we like something else, then you eventually end up liking something else. Quite different, the opposite side. Nowadays, I'm listening to blues, kind of jazz. Sometimes I listen to country music.
No more Bryan Adams.
No more Bryan Adams. But I love listening to him once in a while.
What about Singtoy? What kind of music you used to listen to?
All the techno stuff, and and right now I'm listening some meditational
bullshit.
No, it's very good. It's very good. Also music.
Also,
Yeah.